monster trucks? Okay. I got all your monster trucks in this bag. Let's see what you got.
The local.
Yay.
He's up.
He's stuck. Oh no.
Oh, there it is.
There you go.
Stuck.
Ah, his wheel's stuck. Ah, there you go. You ready?
Yeah.
You gotta push him down, buddy. Whoa! Whoa! Todo Loco landed. You need some more? Thunder and who else?
Block up.
Black Ops. All right. Woo! Which ones do you want next? Okay. Who's going first? Oh, two at the same time? Go. Whoa! Let's see him go down. There he goes. I got him. Here you go. Okay, you gonna slide? Fast! Landed! He landed. Here you go. Ready? Pentagon! Woo! You landed it! Good job! You're gonna make a little train of monster trucks. Yeah. You got it? Oh, oh, oh! Oh! They were too fast. They were too fast. I didn't catch them. Oh! look at this one. He landed on his back tires. He was all in the air. There you go. Whoa! I got it. Woo! Oh. Sorry. There goes another one. Who's next? Whoa! Oh, the big Loco. It landed. Raising Cane stuck. Can you help him? Whoa! They're all, look at these. They're everywhere. Oh, here's another one. Oh, here goes another one. You're so crazy. Look at this. They just keep on coming. They're everywhere. Oh, here's another one. That one did a trick. Looks like it did a trick. You want to help me gather them?
Yeah.
Let's get your backpack. Let's go get them. Is he in there?
No.
Oh, he's right here.
It's in bed.
He fell down. Oh, he slid down with you. That's cool. Whoa!
Up the moon. Look.
Whoa!
Monster trucks are big. Monster trucks are
Nice.
Yeah, what's up?
Stuck.
Yeah.
I bet you put the truck in the tunnel. You want to do that?
No.
No. At least you're honest.
Ah! You go.
I see you.
I see you.
Hi.
Hi.
Whoa.
Is that the bird?
The branch on top. Yeah.
Look at you.
Oh, it's part of a tree.
Oh.
Whoa. Who's next? Ivy's next. Woohoo.
Did it.
You did it, buddy.
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
You're ready. How about you and son of a digger? Give me that. Ready, steady, go! Woo! You did it.
Whoa.
Okay, who's next?
I'm not the tornado.
Still son of a digger?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not fast.
You're fast. Let's see if he wants to go again. He's ready for you.
I'm the local.
Okay. Oh, I got him just in time.
Oh.
There we go. Woohoo! Silly guy. Let's get the big Toro Loco.
Oh, big dog. Mommy, I'm flying.
You went down the slide. Good job.
Mommy, I'm fast.
You were fast. I saw that. You're super fast. Good job. Yay! He landed.
Right.
Oh! The other Toro Loco fell. Go! Yay! There he is.
That's so scary.
Woohoo! Go! Yay! You ready? Steady, go! Woohoo! Nice. Whoa!
I'm
He
not
jumped the stairs.